ready to start signing coaching clients, but not sure how to actually get paid? This episode is gonna save you from making some major rookie mistakes, including one super cringy but common mistake that actually made me decide not to hire a coach. We're breaking down your payment options, tech tools, and how to set everything up the right way. So by the end of this episode, you can start getting paid with ease and confidence. So let's dive in. Hey there, I'm Moriah Riona. I'm an award-winning luxury brand designer, luxury branding coach, and the host of Super Bloom Coach podcast. And this is Super Bloom Coach Presents, the ultimate guide to starting your life coaching business. This series is your step-by-step guide to launching your coaching business the right way. And today, we're talking about one of the most important systems you need: how to accept payments like a pro. Make sure to grab the free workbook at mariahriona.com/workbook or find the link in the description. You'll want it for this episode. It includes all the tools I'm talking about today. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're joining us. And if you're a subscriber already and you've been loving the series, could you take a quick second to like this video on YouTube or leave a quick review on Apple Podcasts? It helps me reach other amazing coaches just like you. Now, let's get you paid. Step number one, you need a professional way to accept payments. First things first, you need a professional system to accept payments from your coaching clients. Please, please, please do not send someone a personal Venmo link. Let me tell you a quick story. I once had a coach pitch me a $2,000 program and then just text me a Venmo request. No invoice, no email, no contract. It felt off. It immediately made me question everything. Are they legit? What's the onboarding process gonna be like? What happens if something goes wrong? It felt messy, and guess what? I didn't hire them. Because when your payment process feels sketchy, your entire brand feels sketchy. And take it from this luxury brand designer and luxury branding coach, that is the last thing you want. But here's the deeper truth. If you want people to take your business seriously, you have to take it seriously first. That means showing up like a business owner from day one. It means setting up systems that communicate, I'm a professional. This is a high value service. You are in good hands. And guess what? That professionalism builds trust. Trust creates confidence, and confidence leads to sales. So even if you're just getting started, create the experience you'd want as a client from the very first payment. Because when you show up like a CEO, people are going to treat you like one. Step number two, invoicing versus checkout pages, and why I use both. You've got two main options when it comes to accepting payments as a coach, and I personally use both. Option number one is invoicing. It's perfect for one-on-one coaching and high ticket offers. You send a personalized invoice, usually paired with contract, and your client pays through a secure link. I use Dubsado for this. It's my go-to CRM for onboarding new clients with custom proposals, contracts, and invoices all in one place. And if you want to check it out, I've secured a 20% discount for you. Check the description for details. Option number two, checkout pages. This is ideal for more automated or passive offers like courses, masterclass, templates, or even group programs. You send people to a sales page or a checkout link, and they can instantly pay you without any back and forth emails. For this, I use ThriveCart. It's the platform that literally lets me wake up to emails saying, you've been paid. There's no right or wrong option here. Use what fits for your business model, and you can totally use both. I've also got an amazing discount for you on ThriveCart as well, linked in the description. Step three, understand the tech behind how you accept payments. Here's where a lot of my clients get tripped up. What platforms do what? So let's break it down. Your CRM or checkout tool, this is what your client sees. It's the branded invoice or the checkout page where they actually enter in their info and make a purchase. So for example, this would be like Dubsado for custom invoicing and onboarding, or ThriveCart for automated checkout pages. Some other examples are Honeybook, Kajabi, Teachable, etc. Then you have your payment processor. This is what runs behind the scenes. It handles the actual transaction and deposits money into your bank account. Here are some examples. Stripe. That's my personal favorite. There's also Square, and I've used it and I also highly recommend it. Then there's PayPal. I have used it, but it's not my preferred method. These platforms connect to your checkout or CRM, and then they take a small transaction fee for processing the payment. So yes, if you're using something like Dubsado or ThriveCart, you'll also need a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal to actually accept the payment. That's how they work together. CRM and checkout tool on the front end, payment processor on the back end. Step number 4, set up your coaching payment system today. So let's get you set up with a professional system to accept payments right now. Step 1, choose your system. Invoicing, checkout, or both. Step number 2, pick your platform. For invoicing, I recommend Dubsado. For checkout pages, go with ThriveCart. Step number 3, connect your payment processor. I personally use Stripe, but PayPal and Square are also options depending on your setup. Step number 4, test it. Send yourself a test invoice or make a $1 purchase through your checkout page. Make sure it feels professional, smooth, and aligned with your brand. And of course, make sure it actually works. There's nothing worse than wondering why no one is buying, only to find out that your checkout page is broken. Now, let's normalize getting paid beautifully. Comment ready to get paid if you're watching this on YouTube, or you can DM me over on Instagram at Moriah Riona. And don't forget to like this video or leave a review on Apple Podcasts if you're loving the series. It helps this podcast grow so much. Next up, we're talking about coaching branding tips and tricks, how to stand out in a saturated market with a brand that's strategic, stylish, and so you. I'm gonna show you exactly how to elevate your visual brand and messaging from meh to magnetic. Also, if you haven't downloaded the free workbook yet, now's the time. All the links for the workbook, as well as all the tools I mentioned, are in the description. So go check it out, and I'll see you in the next episode.